Hi guys, Abhishek here from the Art Era, and today we are going to learn a basic landscape painting. And at the very start, at the beginning of this work, actually we need to start with the drawing first, right? We all know, but the drawing needs to be very clean, less lines, light lines. Don't use pressure on the paper. Why? Because we need to have a clean paper to paint it, right? So the first and foremost thing is to understand that we have to draw each and everything very light. It is not always important to show all of the people that what you're going to draw. This is the basic understanding of it. So draw light, draw minimalistic lines. Now we are going to show you the basic colors what we need to start with. The coloring need to start with these basic colors, okay? So we're getting few colors. The first one is blue. Blue means it can be Prussian blue, it can be cobalt blue, any of two these, okay? Two of these can be, or it can be any one of these, like Prussian is okay, or the cobalt. Then we are going to give lemon yellow, Prussian blue for the sky, lemon yellow for the light shades of tree, and then the third one is, I think we can just continue with sharp green. Yeah, sharp green is here. Now the fourth color is, I think, yellow ochre. We can do it. Yellow ochre is a good color because we can use yellow ochre for the land and the matte portions of the jungle, the bushes. And we also need brown for the darker shade of the yellow ochre, or we can use the stems and the small tiny stems or the branches with that brown. Actually we don't need to use black on the painting, but we can use black as a mixed color, like we can use black with different colors and mix it and make it a third color or a darker shade of it. It will help. So these are the colors I'm using over here, the basic colors. We can use one or two more colors in the end of the drawing, but for now these are the colors what I'm going to start with. And you all need to start with water. First you need to put water on the color and you can make a tint out of it, okay? So I'm going to make tint of each and every color. That will help us, or help me to work on this project, as if I actually start with the coloring, I can give more time to thinking about the coloring, not to mixing colors and all. So at the very start we can mix all the colors. That will help us for the rest of the painting. Now the first process to start with the watercolor, what we say wet and wet watercolor. Wet in wet watercolor or wet and wet watercolor means we are going to start with that kind of a color what is going to serve a paper what is already wet. So first the paper need to wet, then the color is going to put on it. That is how it is working, right? So I am just, first the foremost thing is wet the paper with your brush, with your water, and then use colors. What I'm doing over here is I'm just giving the tint color of Prussian blue or cobalt blue, what I took on the palette, and trying to put the lowest pigment possible of lemon yellow on the sides of it. You can see it over here. Now I'm going to give a bit more green and making the bushes and the distance between the trees. I'm going to make these kind of things. Let's enjoy it. Guys, we started with the second and the third tone. You can see it over here. We completed our first tone for the background and the foreground. We only left the shadow of the house, the upper part. Rest is here. We still working on the bushes, the branches of the tree to make it more artistic and more realistic. It is not all about hyper-realistic artwork. It is about essence of a realisticity. So there is two different things, you can understand it. And the important part of this one is we are using more pigment colors. Like the water is less now, the colors are more. So making it more bright than the last time. So this is the second tone. And if you mix less colors like 30% colors and 70% water, it makes a tint color. This is the first tone. The second tone needs to be 60% color and 40% water. The third tone needs to be 80% color, 20% water. That is the ratio you need to make in your mind. But it is not all about ratio. Art is not all about counting and mathematics. It is about the essence, the practice, and each and everything what you do each and every day. So it is not important that how much like balanced you are. It is important that how much you practice each and every day. So practice more, take your time, see the video full, don't skip it. Take your time to see the whole video. It will help you. It is a big video, I can understand. It is a large video, or a long video, lengthy video you can say. But at the end of the day, it helps you. And I'm going to give more artworks like this. And if you want to see like mixed media works, like mixed media means different mediums in one painting, I'm giving a link in the description and also in the up bar. You can see it over here. So you can see the other works of mine, and I'm giving details over here now to make it more artistic. You can see the bushes are like 60 or 70% complete. We need a bit more dark, and the bushes will be complete after that. And you can see the white paper portions. It looks so good. Like when you do white paper, leave the papers and give the shadows or the highlights on it, it looks really good. And I'm using a white marker pen for the highlights and some portions like branches and bushes, so it looks more kind of a clear, what you can see it over here. And I'm using matte colors for that part, the heart part, and using black with brown for the excess lines on the heart, using a bit green and a blue on the bushes to make it a bit more colorful. So guys, thank you for all your support and love. Please visit my YouTube channel for more updates. Subscribe my channel, and if you really love or like my work, kindly give a comment that what I can do next, and like the work.